Understanding how money works and mastering its laws can truly transform your life. Now, we all know money is important, but do we truly understand its underlying rules and principles? Let's break down the 8 greatest laws of money that the rich and wealthy know and follow to make them richer, no matter what happens to the economy. If you find this video helpful and impact, kindly like the video and leave your thoughts down in a comment section. Doing this greatly supports the channel and lets YouTube recommend this video to others who may be interested in this kind of video. Let's begin. 1. Money is energy. Imagine for a moment that money is a friend. This friend likes to hang out where they feel wanted and appreciated. If you're constantly stressed about money, always thinking there's never enough, it's like putting up a giant no entry sign for your friend. Just like energy, money isn't static. It's always moving, always changing hands, always circulating through the economy. When you understand money as energy, it shifts your perspective from seeing it as merely physical cash or numbers in a bank account to a powerful entity that can be directed and controlled. So, how do you make money feel wanted? Start by having a positive mindset about money. Instead of seeing money as something scarce or evil, see it as a tool that can create opportunities and bring joy. For instance, think about the last time you were around someone who exuded negativity. You probably didn't want to spend too much time with them, right? Money is the same way. It gravitates toward those who have a positive, welcoming attitude toward it. When you adopt a mindset that money is abundant and welcome in your life, it tends to show up more often. Think about the times when money has come into your life unexpectedly, a surprise bonus, a gift, or a profitable sale. These instances often come when you're in a positive state of mind, actively engaged in work or creativity. On the flip side, when you're not taking action, money seems to elude you. This law teaches us to have a positive view of money and stay active because, just like energy, money flows best when it's in motion. 2. Money loves working and moving. Building on the idea that money is energy, it's crucial to understand that money loves to work and move. Think of money as water in a river. It's most beneficial when it's flowing. Stagnant water becomes murky and unhealthy, and similarly, stagnant money loses its potential to grow and benefit you. When you let your money sit idle, it loses value and potential. It needs to be actively moving, circulating, and working for you. Investing is a prime example of this principle. When you invest your money, you're putting it to work. Whether it's in stocks, real estate, or starting your own business, invested money has the potential to grow. Even simple acts like spending wisely can keep money moving in a way that brings value back to you. Remember, holding onto money too tightly, out of fear or greed, can actually repel it. Instead, learn to let your money work and circulate. This flow will invite more money into your life. 3. Money is a lifelong game that can be learned by anyone. Many people believe that managing money and growing wealth is something only experts can do, but that's not true at all. Anyone can learn the rules and strategies of this game and play it well. Think about it like learning a new sport. At first, it might seem overwhelming. There are rules, techniques, and strategies to understand. But with practice, you get better. The same goes for money. Start with the basics: budgeting, saving, and understanding how interest works. Gradually, move on to more advanced strategies like investing, portfolio diversification, and tax planning. The financial education we often lack in schools is something you can pursue on your own. Read books like I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi and The Richest Man in Babylon by George and Clayson. Take courses, listen to podcasts, watch videos about money management, investing, and financial planning, and most importantly, practice what you learn. The more you understand how money works, the better you'll get at managing it. Even the greatest financial wizards started somewhere. learning the basics and building their knowledge over time. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. Think of it as leveling up in a video game. Each level might get harder, but you also get better as you go along. Keep playing, keep learning, and you'll get better at managing and growing your money. It's a lifelong journey, but one that's incredibly rewarding. 4. Money is a double game. Speaking of games, money plays a double game with a secret weapon: the power of compounding. Compounding is when your money starts making money on its own. It's like planting a tree and watching it grow over time, eventually bearing fruit without any additional effort from you. The earlier you start investing, the more time you give your money to compound and grow exponentially. A small, consistent investment over time can turn into a significant sum. For example, investing just $200 a month at an average annual return of 7% can grow to over $245,000 in 30 years. The magic power of compounding is why starting early, even with modest amounts, can lead to substantial wealth. That's why money is a double game, as not only are you making money, but your money is making money too. 5. Money is emotionless. Here's a reality check. Money won't solve your insecurities. It's a tool, not a cure-all for your insecurities or emotional needs. If you have deep-rooted insecurities or emotional issues, more money won't magically make them disappear. In fact, sometimes having more money can even amplify those issues. It's important to work on your personal growth and well-being alongside your financial growth. Many people fall into the trap of thinking that more money will solve all of their problems. If you're insecure, those insecurities will remain regardless of how much money you have. This doesn't mean that money isn't important. It absolutely is. It can provide financial security, freedom, and opportunities to do what you want and be where you want. It's important to work on your inner self, your confidence, and your emotional well-being independently of your financial situation. Money can amplify who you are, but it won't transform you. Separate your self-worth from your net worth and build a healthy relationship with money, understanding that it's a tool, not a source of validation. So, while you work on building wealth, also invest in your personal growth, address your insecurities, and seek fulfillment beyond just financial success. This balanced approach will not only lead to a healthier mindset, but also allow you to make more rational and effective financial decisions. 6. The best time to create wealth is during a crisis. History has shown us time and again that wealth transfers often occur during times of crisis. Economic downturns, recessions, and financial crises create opportunities for those who are prepared. When markets are down, assets are often undervalued, presenting a golden opportunity for savvy investors to buy at a discount. Let's revisit the tumultuous year of 2020, a period that starkly demonstrated the truth of this law. The pandemic triggered a global economic crisis, leading to unprecedented market volatility and a sharp decline in stock prices. Businesses shuttered, unemployment rates soared, and economic uncertainty loomed large. Yet, amid the chaos, opportunities for wealth creation abounded. Investors who maintained a level head and had liquid capital were able to buy into the market at significantly reduced prices. Companies like Zoom, Amazon, and social media platforms saw their stock prices skyrocket as they adapted to new market demands, rewarding those who had the foresight to invest early on. As the economy recovered, these investments grew exponentially in value. The key takeaway here is to have a financial strategy that includes an emergency fund and a diversified portfolio, allowing you to capitalize on opportunities that arise during crises. This means having some cash reserves to invest and the courage to make moves when others are panicking. Remember, crises are challenging, but they also present unique opportunities to build wealth. 7. Wealth accumulates over time. This ties back to the law that money needs to be working and moving, meaning it needs to be strategically active. It's not just about working harder, but also about working smarter. Wealth is not built overnight, it accumulates over time through consistent effort and smart financial decisions, tying back to the power of compounding and the importance of keeping your money moving. The longer you invest and the wiser your investments, the more your wealth will grow. We live in a world of instant gratification, but building wealth is a long-term game. It requires patience, discipline, and consistency. You have to be willing to delay gratification, to invest your money rather than spend it on short-term pleasures. 8. Money attracts money. Finally, let's talk about the magnetic nature of money. There's a saying that the rich get richer, and it's often true because money attracts money. When you have financial resources, you have more opportunities to invest and grow your wealth. You can take advantage of more significant investment opportunities, access better financial advice, and leverage your capital to create more wealth. This law works on multiple levels. On a psychological level, having money gives you the confidence to take calculated risks and explore new ventures. On a practical level, it allows you to reinvest your earnings, diversify your portfolio, and use leverage effectively. As you build wealth, you create a positive feedback loop where your existing money helps generate even more money. This is why it's crucial to start building wealth early and let the momentum carry you forward. The more you have, the more you can do, and the more you can attract even more wealth into your life. This is why the first million is often said to be the hardest to make. Once you reach a certain level of wealth, your money starts working for you in ways you couldn't have imagined before. So, what do you think of these laws? And do leave your comment below on your take on these laws.